So here's a great question. Are you too old to transform your business digitally? Do you need to rely on young people only? Can you do it? Can you succeed? So we're going to go through that in this video, and hopefully you learn something and we can discuss about it in any social media. I'm Steve Johnston, a serial entrepreneur, and I'm passionate about helping entrepreneurs to succeed. And I'm very excited to use this channel to share all my valuable resources with you to help you reach your goal. Come and join me, let's work together, and we'll get your digital transformation a success. So are you too old to do that? So what we hear very often is younger people are born with technology. And this is why the millennials are called millennials. They are born in this millennial, and they are born with technology since day one. And the other thing that we hear often as well, unfortunately, is some older people are saying, learning new technology can be challenging for me at my age. Something that we have to give is the younger people are more familiar with the technology, but they have much to learn about business and strategy. So the younger people can teach the older people some technology. They can adapt to technology a lot faster because they are born with it. But older people, they know where to apply technology, how to apply it once they understand it. So the thing is, teaming up two or groups of younger people and older people could be the best way for your company to have the best of both worlds. You have people who are aware of how to use it and people who can adopt it. So, and again, it's not because you know social medias and you know Snapchat and Messenger and TikTok that you know how to apply other tools in the business. So you need to rely on older people to perhaps take care of that. And obviously I don't want to generalize. So some people are good at both, whether they are young or they're old. So what is the solution? The solution is, anyway, you need to adapt to the new technology. That's a given. I mean, every company is digital these days, so you have no choice about it. So for younger people, they need to understand the business applications of the technology, and the older people need to understand the technology to apply it to their needs. So it's kind of, there is like a middle ground where people can connect. And the two key elements are continuous learning and growth mindset. So you can already make the link where continuous learning for younger people is about learning the processes, the strategy, and keep learning new tools as well. And for older people, it's more about learning the new technology, find how they can apply it in the processes, and make sure they are teaming up as well with younger people to take the benefit. So for whatever generations that you're dealing with, make sure that in your company, you have a culture of growth mindset. And I'll do a video about that between fixed mindset versus growth mindset. The growth mindset is also very intertwined with continuous learning. So that's something that you need to focus on. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe below and set up the notifications. I'm on a mission to help entrepreneurs to be successful in their transformation. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to comment below with your ideas or any topics you'd like me to discuss for you.